guys, Midnight Trinity here, and today I'm going to be doing a golden smoky eye prom look. I know a lot of people aren't getting to go to prom. Don't feel too bad. I didn't get to go to mine. They changed the theme last minute when I was back in high school, and so everything I bought I spent hundreds of dollars. I couldn't go, and I couldn't get my money back on my stuff because it was handmade. But to keep the spirits up and do something special, because I have teenage cousins, I wanted to do a golden smoky eye, and I'm going to be doing my giveaway announcement at the end of the video. And I'm gonna do some more eye looks this week, probably a blue one with a nice blue dress I have. And I got a bunch of cosplay stuff, so you're going to be seeing that soon too. I just have to finish them because I'm making a lot of the costumes for them. But I have the wigs and I need to style that, and I'm getting a new straightener at the end of the week from someone. So if you're ready to get into the video, let's go! this is my finished look. Get you a closer look at the eyes. I really like how it turned out, especially with the outfit I'm wearing. But you could just wear like a black dress with gold accents to it, and it would go really well. Also, the winner for our giveaway is Megan Garcia. She entered on my amino account for my makeup. She was having trouble entering from my YouTube, and I didn't just pick her to pick her. I put all your names in a random calculator, and that's who it picked. So congratulations. There's still going to be more giveaways because only 5 items per giveaway, and I had a lot to the side. She picked out what she wanted, and the next winner will get to pick out what they want out of what I have. So when I have another giveaway, that next person will get to pick. Anyway, so I hope you liked the video, and please like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment on something you'd like to see, even if it's Carol Baskin. I'll do it. I will do any, even if it's a TikTok person. I will try to make myself look like them. And I hope you guys liked the video. See you guys later. Midnight out.